Bitcoin, we start with the 1 hour chart. Okay, as we can see, based on 1 hour chart, the price broke the highest level, which was 22. Then now the question is, what's the next? How high this one can go? Okay, in this case, we prefer to move to daily chart. Okay, first of all, based on daily chart, we can see the price broke this top, and if we refer to the indicators, we can see the divergence. But again, for the crypto, we don't need to, really rely on the divergence, but at least we need to bear in mind that sometimes we may get the deeper correction. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart, we have this correction and we get the next move. Notice what's the next, how high it can go, whether we should get the bigger correction or small. Okay, because now how we going to look at this? Me is better I move to forward chart. Okay, because based on forward chart we are looking for this. Then we had when the price come here, we said may this is the relative to this. Okay, now what's the next? Now the price come to this level. We don't think this is the end of the move, then the price can reverse. Okay, but we are not sure how high it can go because it broke the highest level, which is this one. What I want to say that if we want to look for buy, we need to get the correction, proper trade setup. That means we need to wait for the price to correct before we take the buy, because whether from here or higher, we can expect to get a bigger correction, main relative to this. Okay, because still we have been within this move. Suddenly the price sharply move, and we know this one was due to this news. Okay, but whether from here or higher, we can expect the bigger correction if the price wants continue go higher. Okay, now what I want to say for those traders, they want to look for buy from here. If they are interested, they should wait to get the trade set up. Okay, not jump into the trade. And we don't have any trade setup based on forward. Even if you move to 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup. And how about if the price sharply continue from here? It depends on the traders. Maybe they wanna look for this one as a flag by having entry above this. This one can be option, and having entry above this, sorry, here is really risky, because what they are looking for, they want a sharply price move. Okay, and the possibility the price come tag and reverse is there. That's why if you want to buy, we don't have any trade set up from here, but if you want to buy, be better way to get the correction before we take the trade. As I say, we are not sure how high it can go, but for continuation, whether here or high level, we expecting to get the bigger correction for the next move. Anyway, if you want to, anyone wants to buy, wait for the correction, wait for the trade setup, because we don't want to buy here in a sharply price reverse. Okay, I don't mean the price will reverse, but we need to bear in mind that when the price moving really sharp, we need to get the correction for the next move. Okay, now the question is, this is the only correction or not? Does it mean this is all the correction for the next move, or the higher price? Still we can expect the price to correct, to finish this big correction before it give the highest. The one is going to 50 or 60 or above that. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The only things I want to highlight here is that anyone wants to buy, they should get a trade setup. Okay, rather than that, jumping into the trade is not a really good idea, and having entry above this is really risky. Okay, anyway, I suggest we get the trade setup here before we look for buy. At least we get the correction. In this way, we just follow the chart and see what we will get from here. If I see any trade setup, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.